This creamy roasted cauliflower soup is cozy, rich, and built on deep roasted flavors. We're topping it with crispy bacon and a smoky paprika oil. Even if we did lose the footage, it's still going on the bowl. Here's what you'll need: heavy cream, onion, Yukon Gold potato, cauliflower, carrot, garlic, chicken stock, bacon, fresh thyme, olive oil, and paprika. Let's get started. The bulk of today's soup is cauliflower. Remove the stems and cut off all the florets. If the florets are too big, you can cut them in half, giving them more surface area to char when baking. Now, let's transfer these to a tray. Next, take your onion and cut it in half. Remove the skin and the core. Cut them in 4 and place them onto the baking sheet. Take your carrot, cut off the tips, and peel it. Cut them into 1/4-inch rounds and place them onto the baking sheet. Lastly, we will remove the top of the garlic and place it on the tray. Spray or drizzle your veggies in a moderate amount of oil. Season with salt, and fresh thyme. Place the veggies into a 450-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 25 minutes or until your desired level of charring. While we wait for the veggies to cook, let's cut up some bacon to go with this. Today, I'll be using 200 grams of Mitchell's thick cut bacon. In a cold pan, add your bacon and cook it over medium heat until your desired doneness. I like to have a little crisp to mine, but still have a little chew to the meat. That's looking about right. Let's get this drained on some paper towel. It's been about 25 minutes and the veggies are looking pretty good. Into a large pot goes our roasted veggies. Remember to remove the garlic cloves from the skin before adding it in. Now, for our thickening agent, we will be using diced Yukon Gold potatoes. First things first, peel the potatoes and then small dice them for faster cooking. I find this gives the best texture to the soup. Add our potatoes to the pot and cover with 1 liter homemade roasted chicken stock. Video linked above. If you want a lighter colored soup, you can always replace this with water or vegetable stock. Simmer over medium heat for 30 to 45 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Time to blend our soup. Today, I'll be using my immersion blender, but if you want a smoother consistency, I would suggest to use a blender. However, I want a more rustic vibe to my soup, so I prefer the immersion blender. Top it off with 500 milliliters of heavy cream. Give it a good stir. Now, it's time to serve it up. And there you have it, a creamy roasted cauliflower soup topped with bacon, thyme, and a smoked paprika oil. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that subscribe button. Our next goal is to reach 500 subscribers, and with your help, we're one step closer. But if you're not ready for that commitment yet, then click here for another recipe you might like. And as always, thanks for watching.